Okay, today we're gonna play Parkour Ninja. I just started, so let's just try it out. And then I tried this on my other account, but first time on my computer, I think. I don't remember the last time I played, but let's just play. Let's try to get a lot of kills, and yeah, let's go for her. Try again. Oh, that's how you do. Okay. 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 Let's keep playing and let's kill this woman. Hello, little girl. Oh, what the kind of sword is that? That's weird. Okay, let's keep playing. Oh, let's just get this woman. So, if you guys don't know, my name is Aiden. Aiden10989. And yeah. Oh. Okay, I will not mess with her unless she's like a pro. Okay. We have 5 seconds until this map goes away. Okay. I bet this is jungle, to be honest. Yes, I knew. Okay. Let's kill him. Oh gosh. Oh no. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Let's see how long I can survive. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. Kill her. Oh gosh. Okay, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day and subscribe.